Find or read reviews that people are talking about 9M 180 gigabit Kids MP3 player with parental control. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Kids MP3 player with parental control. The pre-installed Kids Place can control app displayed and hidden, including all online apps, browsers, FM radio, sound recorder, settings, and more, app usage time, and whether the app is connected to the internet. Even if the device is restarted, it is still in parental control mode. Parents can use this app to make M1 the safest MP3 player for kids and teens. Playing your treasured songs. This MP3 and MP4 players has a powerful local music play app. The MP4 player can play almost format of music you throw at it. MP3, WAV, FLAC, AAC, APE, OGG, M4A, WMA, MP2 and more. You can load a folder of songs into the music app with a single click using the music scan feature, and create as many playlists as you like. Find your favorite songs by typing in their names. Pre-installed YouTube and App Store. M1 comes pre-installed with YouTube, YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, Google Chrome, and Google App Store. Meet the needs of adults and children for the Google series of apps, and you can also log into Spotify and Amazon Music through your Google account. The App Store supports downloading and upgrading online apps. Excellent audio-visual experience. The Spotify MP3 player has a 4-inch high-definition touchscreen that supports 720p and 1080p videos. It brings you unparalleled film viewing. There are also several practical apps included such as a voice recorder, FM radio, e-book, file transfer, clock, calendar, calculator, gallery, and file manager. Large storage. The M1 Spotify player is designed with 8-core processor, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM storage for smooth program execution. Moreover, the Spotify music player includes a 64GB SD card that can store all the songs you've cherished for years, freeing up space in your phone's memory. Additionally, the player has a memory expansion slot with a capacity of up to 1 terabit. Bluetooth 5.0 and 3.5mm auxiliary. Bluetooth 5.0 with two-way sending and receiving for a stable connection to Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers, and car audio systems. M1 can also output music through a 3.5mm AUX cable. 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. M1 built-in dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with stronger resisting disturbance and more steadier wireless signal. Our devices have fixed MAC addresses in advance, so we no longer have the trouble of not being able to connect to Wi-Fi. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.